Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing in your Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. Now what we have to do, we are going to launch settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Now connect to Wi-Fi. After connecting to Wi-Fi, we are going back to settings, find and tap on app management. Now tap on app list. Here we are going to search for WhatsApp and select the WhatsApp app. Here we are going to do some changing. Number one, the first of all we are going to tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. Here we are make sure that we are not going to clear data, only clear cache. Then go back to app info and tap on permissions. Now you have a lot of option, but we are going to select the contacts. Here make sure that allow is selected. Now go back to the app list and force close all the apps that are running in the background and restart your iPhone. After restart you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.